Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Taco Bell quesadilla sauce. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You will need 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of jalapeno juice, and a few key spices. Make sure you have a clean mixing bowl and a whisk ready. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and delicious sauce every time. Now, let's craft the perfect spice blend for your sauce. You will need 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a gentle warmth. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. These spices are crucial for replicating that authentic Taco Bell flavor profile. With all your ingredients ready, it's time to combine them. Pour the measured spices directly into your bowl with the mayonnaise and jalapeno brine. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the sauce is completely smooth and uniform in color. This step is vital for achieving the perfect texture and ensuring all flavors are well integrated. Once your sauce is perfectly mixed, transfer it to an airtight container. Refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade quesadilla sauce will stay fresh for up to 5 days in the refrigerator. Enjoy it generously with your favorite quesadillas, tacos, or even as a dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.